cheesy, 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 happy, happy cheese sounds.
Hi! I love sounds like and even let's look at this sound. This sound has two letters, C and H. We all know that C says K and sometimes S, and H says when we put them together, C, H usually say just kidding. C and H say ch, 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 ch. Many words start with the C and H, the ch sound. For example, chair, chicken, and my favorite word, cheese. Can you think of a word that starts with the ch sound? Ready? Go! Oh, what do you think, Charlie? Don't change your mind. Time's up. Many words also end with the C and H, the ch sound. For example, ouch, wrench, sandwich. Uh-oh. Can you think of a word that ends with the ch sound? Ready? Go! Uh-huh. Think, but don't think too much. Time's up. Okay. Don't forget the C-H-ch sound. Until next time. Ouch. Cherry. Ouch. Cherry. Ouch. Cherry. Ouch. Cherry.